This kind of animation video is getting millions of views on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. By following this 3-minute AI animation video tutorial, you will be able to start your own animation story channel in a quick and easy way. So, let's get started. Part 1. Generate jokes. You can search the internet for funny jokes, but in this example, we'll use ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a joke based on your preferred type of humor. Part 2. AI voiceover. Next, let's convert our joke into a voiceover using ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs. If you don't have an account, you can register using the link provided in the video description. After logging in, go to the voice menu and select the library option. Choose the voice style you want by selecting the category, gender, age, and language. Listen to samples to pick the voice actor you like.
It is not enough to have a good mind.
If you find a suitable voice, click Add to my voice and then Add voice. Select the speech option. Return to ChatGPT, copy the first character's dialogue, and paste it into the text-to-speech input box. Choose the desired voice actor, adjust the speech model settings, or modify stability, similarity, and style exaggeration as needed in the settings menu. Click Generate Speech to create your AI voice.
I have bad news and worse news.
If you're satisfied with the result, click the download button to save it to your computer. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second character's dialogue, and paste it into the text-to-speech box. Repeat these steps until all dialogues are converted to AI voiceovers. Part 3. Adobe Animation. Now let's create an animated character for our joke. Visit the Adobe Express website. You can find the link in the video description. Select the Animate from Audio option. Choose a character from the list and select a background from the Background tab. Resize and reposition your character to fit the background. Next, select the Video Aspect Ratio from the Size tab. Click Browse and upload your first AI-generated voice from Part 2. The voice will automatically sync with the character.
I have bad news and worse news.
If you're satisfied with the result, click the download button to save the first scene. Repeat this step for the dialogues of the first character. After finishing with the first character's scenes, repeat these steps for the second character. Part 4. Video Editing. Now let's combine the generated scenes into a complete video using a video editor. In this tutorial, I will use Canva. Create a new video design and make sure the aspect ratio matches your animation video. Upload the first scene to Canva and drag it into the video editor timeline panel. Upload all the scenes and repeat the same steps. You can add filters to the scenes from the Edit Video menu. Once everything is set, click the Share button, select Download, and choose your file format and quality. Click Download to save the final video to your computer. Here is the result video from this AI animation tutorial.
I have bad news and worse news.
What's the bad news?
You have 24 hours to live.
What's the worst news?
I forgot to call you yesterday.